TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials flat. You get the NASDAQ down 3 points. S&Ps are flat. Gold contract is down $2.10, traded $1,342 an ounce. We have silver up 6 cents, $19.88 an ounce. Platinum's up 7 at $11.53. Oil is up 98 at $42.79. We have the 10-year note down 8 ticks, 131.28. 30-year bond off 24 ticks, 170.26. Both the 10-year note and the 30-year bond look to go back to where they broke topside from, which was on June 24th. King dollar. King dollar's up 229 ticks, trading at 96.36. King dollar is making its way back topside where it was, where it broke out after the June 24th swing high. If we go over and take a look at the S&Ps, what you have is this. S&Ps move higher on Friday. We get up to the price point of on the SPY of 218.52. Bottom line is that we'll see how it can handle this 218.23 area. The NDX 100, it looks to me like the NDX 100, that was the spike, okay? Bottom line, you spiked higher. The volume's not behind the move. We'll see whether this can get up over and stay over. If we're looking at the Qs, the 115.75 area. If you do go to the over the Europe this morning, whether it's the UK or the DAX in Germany, both of them are having a hard time holding on to price. It looks like they both are going to fail on price and volume. We go into the gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract comes down hard with the jobs number on Friday. That looks like it's the beginning of a correction. You know, gold has gone topside from January to June and July. That's when it hit its highs. I expect what you're going to see now is it's going to start backing down. This contract here we're dealing with, which is the December contract with 1341, that can back down to about the 1282 area. That would still be a correction in a bull market. We take a look at silver. Silver's set up the exact same way. What you have with silver, silver got down to a price point today of $19.51. It has rejected that level. Volume, however, is pretty high on silver, so I expect you're going to be right back down into that area. Bonds, we go take a look at the notes first. The 10-year note, what you have with the note is this. 10-year note right now is trading down 9 ticks. You get 510,000 contracts. You're coming into the lowest swing point where we had 1.2 million. So bottom line, I expect you're going to, number one, next few days, you'll probably break that. We'll get into where it broke topside from, which was the 130.21 area. The 30-year bond, same type of setup. Now, the 30-year has a lot further to go down. We're at 170.28. We've done 79,000 contracts. You're coming into the lowest swing point. I don't think it's going to break it out here today, but what you'll see the next few days will break down under the 169.31, and that will get us into that 165 area. Good old King dollar. King dollar once again wants higher price, folks. What you had with King dollar out here on Friday with the jobs number went from 95.48 up to 96.50, got right back inside the higher range. King dollar's going to make a run for this 97.62 area. That 97.62 area, bottom line, you take that out, you're going to be up at the 100 area pretty quickly. We go over and we take a look at the oil market, what we have with oil. Oil right now is trading at 42.78. This can make a run up to the 45.57 area. 45.57 in oil is ice. That would be a normal bounce in a market that continues to want a lower price. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.
The path of least